I'm at the house right now. I'm chilling in the crib right now, right? And I got my boy Chris right here. Hey, yo, Chris. Yo, Chris.
What's up?
Yo, tell everybody. Yo, first off, what was your biggest batch ever? What was your biggest batch ever?
It was a 130.
Wait. Don't say the number yet. Hold on. Don't say the number yet. Hold on. Let's just backtrack real quick. Was this recent? Your biggest batch you've ever made? Was it recent?
Yeah, it was about a week ago.
Okay, it was about a week ago. And did I not put you on to the store that you did it?
You did put me on the store.
I did put you on the store. Hey, hold on. Let me turn up my phone. I don't know if they can hear you. How much did you make for the biggest batch you ever done in your life so far?
138. 138.
138. All right. So, hold on. Chris, brother. Where was that batch located? What store was this in?
Costco.
Hey, let's go. Hey, yo. Just for proof, bro. Just for proof, because I know they're going to be like, he can say that. Send me the screenshot right now, bro, so I can put it in the video. You going to send me the screenshot?
Yup. I got you.
Send me right now. Look, check this out. Y'all heard that? Look, there he is. Chris's name just popped up on my phone. Let's go. Let me open the message. Boom. Right here. I'm going to open this right now. Dang, your head's in the way. Hold up. All right, Chris, bro, let me call you back. So here it is. Boom. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's not focusing. I got a glare and everything. 135. This is Chris's batch. $135. That's what he made right there. It says it right there. Boom.
Don't forget where that sauce came from. Best remember my name.
Yo, what's poppin', family? It's Tavar back with another one. You already know. And I'm with Bella. Yes, I'm with Bella today. We're gonna jump into why Costco is king. Let's just get right into the video. What did you swipe today? Hold up. What did you swipe today?
$123 batch.
Wait, a what?
$123.
There we go. Yeah. Today's video, we're gonna break down why Costco is king. Hey, just for real quick proof. Yo, show your phone. Show them the badge. Show them that 123, because I know they don't believe us. I know they don't go. And then they go, look, bot. Look, wait, hold up. Can they see that? Bot. That's what they gonna say. Bot. Oh, they got a bot. Bot. Y'all cheating. Yo, matter of fact, how much did you make today? Show your day. And by the way, I'm not making as much as Bella is these last couple days because my daughter's here and I've been stopping half the day.
So this is my Monday.
Wait, your Monday? Look at the Monday. Okay, this is Monday. Bella bringing into the company. That's the Monday. All right, show your Tuesday. Okay. Boom. There's the Tuesday. That's Monday and Tuesday. So you're at what for the week so far?
652.
652 for the week. She's crushing it. I'm not even gonna show my numbers. I'm at like 480. Oh, she got like a whole 120 on me. I'm at about 480 for the week. But yeah, if I get a 120 at Costco tomorrow morning, it's tie game. It's the game's on. Like $123 batch, one batch this morning at Costco. The crazy thing about this is we see these types of batches every single day. Not only us, we have a buddy that swipes these all the time. Like he just lives for Costco. Like that's his store. For some reason, a lot of Instacarters do not shop Costco.
You guys are like scared of it.
Scared of Costco.
Too much. I don't know.
And another cool thing about Costco is that they're pretty much everywhere. You can find a Costco everywhere. I'm quite sure there's one near you. And if there isn't, Sam's Club is just as good. BJ's is just as good. But Costco is king, in my opinion. Now, how do you go about getting one of these 100+ batches? That is the question of the, I think that's the question of the day, right? So how do we do that? It's not with a bot. We don't got bots. We got bots, like, come on, dude. We wouldn't be making videos if we had bots. Why would we want to be known if we had bots? I would be trying to be low key. Like, why would I want to be out in the open if I had bots? I just make $1 zillion a day and don't tell nobody. Like,
Yep.
Are you kidding me? But anyways, let's not even entertain that. The way you get these Costco batches, I'm about to give you guys the sauce, right? Because it was given to us, and now we're gonna give it to the world. Depending on your area, I think Costco opens at the same time nationwide. I'm not sure.
For us, at least, weekdays is 10 a.m. because of senior hours, and then weekends is 9:30 a.m.
9:30 a.m. on the weekends and 10 a.m. during the week. The way you get a high chance of swiping a 100 plus batch is, drum roll, camp in the store about 15 minutes before they open, before they even show you Costco batches.
Whatever hours you can go into the store, be there before,
like at least 15 to 20 minutes. I would say 20 minutes.
If the store opens at 10 a.m.,
be there at 9:40, 9:45, camping. You're not gonna see any batches, but you wanna be close to the store. You wanna be right next to the store, if not inside the store. Like we go in this little waiting area where the carts are before you can even walk in to go shop. And we just sit there at 9:45.
Even if you don't see nothing, refresh.
We are sitting there refreshing. All right, and what's gonna happen is you will swipe a batch before they even let you in sometimes. That was the case for you today, wasn't it?
Yeah, I had to wait like 5-10 minutes.
She had to wait 10 minutes just to go in and start the shopping. Costco, for some reason, likes to start the day off with bangers. So you got a lot of like office buildings ordering from Costco, which I think that was. You have a ton of businesses that actually order from Costco because it's a wholesale club. So you got these businesses that want 10, of this and 10 of that. How long did that order take you, actually?
Like 15 minutes to shop.
15 what?
15 to 20 minutes to shop.
15 to 20 minutes to shop. 15 to 20 minutes.
Because it was just a whole bunch of soda, a whole bunch of chips, and a whole bunch of snacks.
Easy.
And that was it.
Easy.
Checking out, putting it in the car, and delivering it.
Yeah, putting the stuff in the car is a pain in the butt. I'm not gonna lie about that. Yeah, that's like an additional 15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Just putting the items in your car and then delivering, right? But all in all, we're talking about what, maybe an hour and some change to do it all.
If you do Costco, have a dolly available.
Oh, that's a great point. That's a great point. Not all these organizations or people even have dollies for you. I have my own dolly. She has her own dolly. Small dollies that they can open up. They can open up. And as a matter of fact, I'll post a link. I don't have mine on hand right now, but I'm gonna post a link to the ones we have. We got it on Amazon. It's like $40. Money well spent. When you do Costco orders, it's a lot of bulky stuff. And with the dolly, you can literally just stack a ton of stuff on one little dolly, and you just pull it. It doesn't feel like anything. What was it again? 123? 123 in about an hour and a half. That's, great money. Great money. Costco's king. When you're shopping Costco, put the orders down put the orders down first. We'll start with the heavy items. You can pre-shop. We like to pre-shop Costco too and get the produce out the way so that's already in the boxes. But make sure you put the heavy stuff in the carts first.
More than 4 waters, we would recommend a flatbed because they won't really fit in your cart comfortably.
Exactly, and for those of you that don't know what the flatbed is, it's just the big orange thing, not the cart. And when you're checking out, guys, be very careful at Costco when you're checking out. Slow down. Take your time. Listen, this is the one, and this is for every store actually. Like I didn't really touch up on this, but when you are checking out, slow down. It's not, you want to be fast, you want to turn around, you want the turnaround time, you want to get the next batch, get more money, but checking out is so important because that's where you can really take an L. That's where you can really mess up. And with Costco, at least in our area, they do not do returns. They'll give you a gift card, then you contact Instacart, and Instacart's like, we don't want the gift card. Look, I'm good for this. They love me at the stores and they hate me sometimes at the stores because I am good for this. The cashiers do not dictate or control how fast I go. I don't care if there's a line behind me. I don't care if they're saying, hurry up, put your stuff on. No. I'm not hurrying up. I'm making sure I'm getting my job done right because I don't want no penalties. I don't want to miss nothing. I don't want to mistake anything. So at checkout, well, before checkout, before you even walk to the register, make sure you recap the order. Look at the order. Know that everything for customer A is with customer A. This is what I like to do before I even hit the registers. And then when you hit the registers, you make sure you check out perfectly. Like you put all of customer A's order on the belt, you ring it up, you make sure it's all in the cart, and you double check it, and then you pay for it, and then boom, put it to the side. Then you go to customer B, do the same thing. That way you're never messed up because I've made the mistakes, she's made the mistakes.
When you shop Costco and you have 2 orders, use 2 separate cards.
This is a great point. She's right. Like, use separate carts for separate orders. It makes your life easy. It makes the cashier's life easy. It makes everything go smoother. You know, I mean, I sit there and look at some people that are doing Instacart and I'm just like, look at this guy, like look at this girl or whatever. And I'm not making fun. I'm just feeling bad. And I tell them after when I see them, like, look, yo, do it like this. You know what I mean? Because I mean, it's just a mess. You got everything in one cart, or you got everything mixed up, and then you gotta separate. It's just a mess. This is why we make so much money, because we're very militant on, you know, separating the carts, separating the orders, going in fast, getting the heavy stuff in first, putting the light stuff on top of the heavy stuff. It's just like a very systematic thing that we just became prone to, and now we do it effortlessly. So yeah, make sure you do that. Separate carts for separate orders, even at Costco's when they're big. We still do it even at Costco. Okay, so to shop Costco, if you don't see Costco batches, that's because you didn't do the right prompts in the app to be able to shop Costco batches. You need to have insulated bags, okay? And you need to have the card, because some people out there like myself, I just like to use Apple Pay everywhere I go. I've set up the Instacart card to Apple Pay, so I don't even have to pull out my wallet every time I check out at every single store besides Costco, because they don't allow Apple Pay, along with BJ's and other wholesale clubs. Now, the quickest way to be able to start seeing Costco batches is by just ordering the insulated bags through Instacart. That's what we did, and literally as soon as you place the order, you're gonna be eligible. I think it's like before the bags even show up, you'll be able to shop Costco batches.
And you don't really they don't like ask you for like a card or nothing to pay with it. They just take it out of what you make for that week.
Make sure you camp the store. This is the key point to all of this. Getting these big Costco orders 15 to 20 minutes before they open. Sit outside right next to Costco and swipe that finger. Swipe that finger and refresh.
Exercise that thumb.
Exercise that thumb, baby. Exercise that thumb. Just wait. Don't swipe anything right away. Just get the good one. Now, if they show a 50 or 60, 70, 80,
and it's
whatever.
not 45 items.
And it's not 40 million items, then just get that, because the 100 bags. Be better to be safe than sorry. Whatever you see that's really good, just take it. But there will be $100 plus batches. If you guys don't know about those $100 batches, I guarantee the veterans in your area do. So whoever's in your area that does Costco, they eating really good. And most of y'all might not even know about this. So make sure you can't Costco. We will be visiting other areas to help everybody out. Comment down below your area. Comment down below if you think you can beat us week for week, Also, then the song comment that too, cause we'll come to your area. We don't even know your area. We'll come to your area and we'll go and we'll learn it. Give us 2 days, and not even give us 1 day.
Give us a day.
Give us 1 day to learn the store. And you pick the area, you pick the place. Yeah. That being said, look, I don't know, like just wrap this up. Look, yo. Get that thumb workout in. Get that thumb worked out. And yeah, let's get it popping. Let's have some fun. You already know what it is. I'm not gonna make this too long. We out. Yeah, we out. That's it. We out. Peace.